What's up, everybody? Welcome to a special episode of Freak Eating versus the World. Today we're doing a partnership with Del Taco, and we're taking a look at their new Fresh Faves boxes. I like to think of them as adult Happy Meals. Basically, if you grew up eating Del Taco, each of these boxes takes a couple favorites that Del Taco is known for, pairs them up with fries and a drink, and boom, you got a box. What I'm thinking of doing is just running through all four of them, seeing how fast I can get through them. That's main items, fries, and drinks, and then just kind of talk about them and let you know what I think. So with no further fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, let's just get down to it. And the way we're going to do it is I'm going to eat one box at a time. I'm going to finish off one drink at a time before moving on to the next. There's going to be a timer somewhere here on the screen. I'm not quite sure yet. So with no further fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, let's just get down to it. And I'm going to start with, appropriately enough, the Value Taco Box. The Value Taco Box is right here. It has basically two classic tacos. That's cheese, lettuce, beef, and a shell, and a side of fries. Delicious. I'm gonna wash it down with Powerade. That's a delicious taco. Second taco. And you can't forget the crinkle cut fries. Still got quite a bit of Powerade in there. The blue stuff. There we go. One box is down. So get that out of the way. And now we're going to take a look at the second box. Let's see, it's got a grilled chicken taco. Love chicken tacos. It's got a Del Taco. And it's got a fry. By process of elimination, that must be the Del's favorite box. The favorite box. That has fries, chicken soft taco, Del Taco, and it's got the value fry. Now, one thing I really love about Del Taco, to be honest with you, is the fact that they make their beans in-house without lard. Also, I remember when I was a little kid, well, maybe not a little kid, in high school, and these commercials would come on, and the guy would always talk about slow cooking the beans. Slow cooking the beans. This is actually a fancier taco. I believe this is the Del Taco. This is a bit of an upgrade from the last taco I ate. It feels a little bit bigger. Still got the crunchy shell. Still got the lettuce, the beef, but it now has tomatoes on top of the cheese. Tomatoes just makes it fresher. Got a Coke Zero here. This is a grilled chicken taco. I love eating grilled chicken, so it's not bad to eat it now and again. Got to get the lettuce. Back to the crinkle cut fries. I ran 8 miles today, so you know I came hungry. Plenty of Coke Zero left. And per the rules, we're going to have to polish this one off before we move on to the next. There it is. There it is. And then we're going to move on to the next box. And let me see, is the burrito, I believe it's a burrito, chicken roller. That's a chicken roller. No, it's a burrito. It is the half-pound burrito. I'm sorry, I totally reversed that. This is the half-pound burrito. That's big. That's a burrito. This is a chicken street taco, which explains its size relatively, and a side of fries. So that is the variety box, and yeah, it's a couple different things there. Excuse me. This is the first appearance of the street taco. It's got cilantro. It's got onions. Looks good. Excellent. And this right here, I grew up eating these. These are the bean and cheese burritos. We've had these a while. They're a Del Taco staple. Serious staple. Got beans, cheese, red sauce, and a side of fries. Another thing that I really like about Del Taco is the fact that they grate their cheese in the kitchen, and they don't buy their cheese pre-shredded, and they chop up the tomatoes and avocados and onions in house. And in fact, when I went today, they had signs up showing like how recently they had actually chopped up avocados. Was that hey, it's an avocado right there. I missed it. Totally didn't see that at first. So let's dive right in. It's double walled for my protection. No, I know cilantro is not everyone's favorite. I love it. What do you think? I'm gonna break the order here. I'm gonna eat some fries first. My drink of choice will be a lemonade. Every box comes with a drink, so that's why we have 4 drinks here. Time to get cracking on this burrito. See that red sauce just bursting out. Cheese has barely even had time to melt. That looks real good. In fact, I remember some days after school, I'd eat 2 of these for like lunch. Half-pound apiece. I mean, they're pretty decently sized. The process of elimination tells me that this must be the triple chicken box. It took me a while there. I love chicken, and this is all the chicken the doctor ordered. Well, obviously the French fries don't have chicken in them, but there is a chicken street taco, or is it? No, I'm sorry. The chicken roller, chicken quesadilla, grilled chicken taco, and a second grilled chicken taco. That's right. So there are 2 grilled chicken tacos in here, a fry, and a chicken quesadilla roller. Now chicken quesadilla kind of this looks like a taco, but close enough. It's like a taco that was just kind of pressed down on. Whoops, I think I broke my own rules there. Gonna have to drink my drink first. This is lemonade. Let's get that out of there. There we go. So 3 boxes down and 1 to go. Took a couple bites of the quesadilla, chicken quesadilla snacker. I believe that's what it's called. Snacker, yes. Quesadilla snacker. Making all kinds of taco games today. Hopefully most of these tacos go straight to my beard. Now this grilled chicken taco, to be honest with you, the lettuce is the flavor that just stands out the most. That freshly chopped lettuce tastes really freaking fresh. break the rules here. Let's put some fries in our grilled chicken taco. Let me know in the comments section if that's something that you would do. It's a decent amount of food here, you know, but it's delicious, and I grew up eating Del Taco, so it's like a walk down memory lane. Down to one delicious bag of fries. These fries are still warm. It's like I just can't stop eating them. The fries are down. And now a little bit of a Diet Coke is the only thing that separates us from the finish line. Now, despite all the food I ate, it's actually the drink that's really making this this 4-box challenge a tough one. And it's all in. Boom goes the dynamite. All 4 of the Del Taco Fresh Faves boxes are in the tank. That was delicious. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And thank you, Del Taco, for this awesome partnership. It's been eventful. It's been educational. It's also been a while since I've eaten that much Del Taco. Had it for dinner now and again, but full-on challenge, that's something else. And of course, if any of you at home watching are interested in trying the Fresh Faves boxes, they're actually available at Del Taco right now. And we are going to do a giveaway here on Freak Eating. To participate in the giveaway, you're going to have to go and check out my Instagram. You're going to need to follow my Instagram. You're going to need to follow Del Taco's, and then we're gonna do it pretty soon. So thanks for watching, and I will see all of you next time. Till we eat again. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.